You searched how to buy shares of Rotork PLC. Rotork is a UK industrial engineering firm that makes valve actuators and flow control systems, listed on LSE PLC under the ticker ROR.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ROR.L. Then select the Rotork PLC listing to locate the correct stock on the LSE. On the Rotork PLC asset page, review the brief company summary and the price chart, and confirm the exchange shows LSE PLC with ticker ROR.L to ensure this is the right listing. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed, and you can monitor it there. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.